Right.
Yeah, that's great.
Well, first of all, then, just tell us a bit about what's brought you here, what sort of problems you've gone through in the past.
Well, I've had 17 years of A-class drug abuse, crack, heroin, funded through a lot of crime, long spells in prison, drug dealing, the whole smorgasbord really.
Okay, so what's made you actually want to kind of get help and do kind of positive things like this course then?
Well, I've come to that point in my life now really where well, the drugs weren't working no more. So obviously I've had to look at myself. My family have pushed me in that direction. But basically I've just had enough really.
And how are you doing now? Are you kind of feeling more positive about the future? That you said, you've had enough and you want a new life. Can you see that, in the distance now?
Yeah, I said in a conversation yesterday, it's about taking baby steps. I mean, it's a brand new world for me. This is the first time I've been in treatment and stuff. I'm finding my feet. Yeah, I can see there is possibilities. But obviously you have to put the action in first.
And how are you finding this course? Obviously it's a bit of an unusual way to kind of get kind of therapy. What are you getting out of it doing this?
Well, I've learnt to look at myself like I have many bad facets. It's just about, for me, it's just about looking at myself, my behaviours.
Have you actually enjoyed the sailing, like actually, learning kind of a new activity and just kind of forgetting a bit about, other things?
I've never sailed before in my life, so since Tuesday, I've ticked that box now, because I've faced my fears. It's the camaraderie on the boat, being part of a team, I've benefited.
Yeah. I mean, we can see you doing all the winding stuff. I don't know what the proper terms are. And so winching. Yeah. And it's like you know what you're doing. You're just kind of focusing on that stuff. Are you able to kind of like just shut out everything else and focus on this stuff when you're in this course?
Yeah. Well, at the end of the day, this is life and death stuff. Like if you don't get it right, you're gonna die. So we've got a competent skipper who's taught us what to do. And we're just getting on with it.
And the other guys have mentioned, like, just being in these surroundings is kind of like a natural therapy in a weird way. Do you kind of find that as well, kind of coming out from your home, from your comfort zone and coming somewhere different and just being in these surroundings is kind of helpful?
Well, I'm going to say, yesterday we was more or less exactly in this same spot, and I was sat where you were sat, and I just had this moment of clarity where I just felt content, and for a moment I didn't want anything more. And I can't really explain it any further than that, but that's just how I felt at that time.
And that's kind of a little breakthrough in terms of your situation and stuff, to actually just feel content and not thinking about other things.
Yeah.
And would you sort of recommend that there should be more kind of therapies like this, which do sort of take people out to do positive things where they're learning new skills and stuff, rather than everything being sort of office-based and things as it might be in the past?
Yeah, well, this is the first time I've been in treatment. I recommend it to anybody to just take a chance and step out there and try it. You might like it.
Cool, that's great. Okay.
Yeah, great.
Well done, thank you, it's brilliant.